Hello, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm at the King's Avenue Mall because it's Easter, and I thought I'd look at the Easter decorations they have there. Also admiring this new little shaded walkway they've got here. Now inside, I can pick up my phone which I've left behind over here. It's going to be a bit darker, so I'm going to have to swap camera settings, etc. But I thought I'd give you a brief look outside first. Today's date is the 30th of April, and it's Easter in Cyprus on May the 5th this year, because they follow the Orthodox Christian calendar. Right, so we're inside the mall now, and we're going to take a look around. The first thing you come across is this rather large rabbit. From the Di Martino design, that. Move the microphone a bit closer. And we'll walk through the ground floor and come up the first floor, finishing the coffee place. I've already lost my wife to Jumbo. May God have mercy on her soul. Some of the Easter fair. And there's a bigger display just up here. Oh, it's illuminated this time as well. Last time I was here it wasn't switched on. It does look a bit more impressive now. So this is where you pose for your selfies. And down here is the main Easter display. Lots of rabbits and eggs. Some more at the fountains. Oh, you can't call them fountains really. The water feature. Don't know how that will come out on film. So we can come out and overdid it somewhat. Little chickies. And the final one on the ground floor is this, I guess it's a butterfly. It's interesting because the first time I did a tour of all the Easter decorations and the Christmas decorations, has to be said, when we first moved here back in 2016, I liked them, but then I noticed that the next year they all changed. And I assumed at the time that they change them every year, but they don't. Which is very reasonable. I mean, how often do you change your Christmas decorations? We've still got the same ones we had, well, when we got married, I guess. There's Jumbo down there. So, it's not an annual event, them putting up new decorations. But they do sneak the odd new thing in, they seem to. I think that's it for now. There's a Starbucks at this end, but I'm going to wait for my wife to emerge from Jumbo at the other end, however long that may take. There's a rabbit with a little egg carrier. He hasn't been switched on, unfortunately. Ambience Element. I haven't seen them before. Gourmet cosmetics. What is a gourmet cosmetic? That's something you're going to eat, is it? Now, I know they smell like you should eat them. All those soaps they make, you know. And there's Flying Tiger. Our daughter loves that shop. Mind you, so does the wife. My favourite shop in here is Taco Bell, but that says more about me than anyone else. I don't even think that counts as a shop. I remember they used to have Taco Bell in London back in the day. I'm talking about back in the 90s now. Actually, that was even the 80s. Jeez. Oh. Cable net. And what are these things here? Oh, it could be Paphos FC candles. Because they're in the cup final this year for the first time. I hope they weren't celebrities that I was supposed to register with being players. Unfortunately, my football team, my allegiances are with the team where I was born, Lincoln, who narrowly failed getting into the playoffs in the to get out of the first division. Last game, bottled it, but never mind. Beats being in a relegation battle. Anyway, sorry, completely getting distracted. So yes, on the top floor, apart from that bunny with the carrier we saw at the other end, there isn't really any Easter decorations to speak of. It's all on the bottom ground floor. Plant-based kings. Why? Why bother? Why not just eat a carrot? Anyway, another editorial wasn't really needed. It's too early for the food places to be open, really, because I came here just after 10. Car park was pretty full though, but wanted to avoid too much crowd. I'll switch cameras when I go out again because it'll have different lighting, etc. And I'll wait for my wife to emerge from Jumbo. Wish me luck! And we'll finish with a nice view of the roundabout and the walkway. So that's Paphos Mall, King's Avenue Mall rather, in the Easter time, and you can see the new covered walkway they're putting in. And we'll see you in the next film. Cheers.